front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and today I would like to show you how you can create and add split screen app pair to home screen. Begin by deciding which apps you use the most in split screen view and open them in this view. I will start with Chrome, so I need to tap on it, access it in the background, and click on the icon of it available at the top to select Open in Split Screen View. Then tap on the second app. Now with your favorite apps opened in this configuration, click on those three dots in the middle of them and tap on this tiny icon of a star located on the right. Now you need to select Add App Pair to Home Screen by clicking on Home Screen here. And when you finished, close your apps. As you can see now, I can open my apps already in split screen view by clicking on this shortcut. If you want to remove this shortcut, all you need to do is hold it and tap on Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!